Ladies, welcome back to another YouTube video here at Halftee Larry Fashion. Super excited to be here today because we are talking all things Halftee and our brand new summer colors. I am so excited to share with you all the different colors we've come out with. There are 3 different colors. We came out with them in a boyfriend sleeve and in a tank sleeve. And today we are going to be styling them with 3 of my favorite dresses that I actually found at Walmart, and how to incorporate these really fun pop of colors, whether you're more of a minimalist or you love having a ton of color underneath those outfits. These Halftees are going to be perfect for those summer styling days. So let's get started. Let me show you the colors first that we've got. I'm gonna show them in the tank. This is our brand new coral color. We have come up throughout the years, throughout the summers, we've had several different colors of coral. I am loving this. This is more of a pink, salmon-y color, and I just think it is perfect for summer. Our next color, is there a color out there that does not scream summer than yellow? This is the perfect yellow. It's bright. It is just vibrant and I love it. It just says, welcome summer. And then our last color, I know I've talked a ton about Kelly Green, but this is our brand new Kelly Green. Kelly Green is everywhere. It's actually one of my favorite colors today. I love it. And it's not because our high school colors is Kelly Green. I promise it's not. It just is a nice little, I don't know, lucky thing about what I get to do. So I get to style in my favorite color when I'm coaching, but I do think Kelly Green is going to transition throughout fall and winter, honestly, and we're gonna continue to see Kelly Green on the shelves, styled. Fashion is going to really have a lot of Kelly Green in it. So I love this pop of color you're gonna be able to layer with or add some coverage, but do it with a fun summer. These are all dresses that we're gonna be talking about. Dresses that are super suitable for women in their 40s and older. Again, we're gonna be bringing in lots of different designs like the eyelets, the whites, the maxi dresses. These are all gonna be things that you're gonna be seeing. So this is the first style of dress that I wanna talk about. I've got it with the Kelly Green. Of course, I had to choose the Kelly Green. Ironically, this is gonna be a little tricky because yellow is actually my favorite color on the planet. And what I've noticed is Kelly Green is taking a very quick step to gaining first in my favorite color. But I want to show Kelly Green underneath this eyelet. Again, it's a maxi dress. The ruching in back is so stinking cute. I love the eyelet and it's sleeveless, so you gotta add a sleeve, and I just feel like it finishes it off, especially if you're wanting a little bit more coverage, arm coverage, get a little neck coverage here. I think it just pairs perfectly. Now, yellow is also a really, really good choice. Springy, summery, everything is just bright and wonderful, and I love it paired with yellow as well. And then of course the coral is another perfect choice underneath white. And ladies, you're gonna be able to take any style of white dress, denim, navy, black. We got lots of different choices out there on the shelves. These colors are going to go so nicely with any of those neutral colors that you're going to be seeing this summer on the shelves. Dress number 2, how cute is this navy maxi dress? I'm loving it with the tassels. I actually love that it comes with a little rope tie around the middle. Helps me with my rectangular shape, but I've got it styled with the coral. Really, really fun, guys. We could style this with so many different colors, but obviously we're talking about our brand new summer colors, so I want to style it with the yellow. Navy and yellow. I don't think it can get any cuter than navy and yellow, but then what the heck? The Kelly Green and navy is so stinking cute too. So again, we're taking these very basic summer colors, solid colors, and we're just gonna be adding a pop of color with our brand new summer colors. So super fun, super easy, still getting the modest coverage wherever you need it, whether it's in the sleeves, it's in the neckline. And now I wanna show you our tank colors underneath this really, really fun dress that I found at Walmart. We'll show you how to add a little pop of color with that as well. Dress number 3, ladies, this is so cute. And it actually came in 2 different colors. It came in a black and white, and then we have this green, this Kelly Green with like a light bluish color. I've got it styled with the yellow. I really feel like all 3 colors of the tank are actually so cute. And again, we're talking about adding a pop of color. I would need, I didn't button the top, I could button the top, but I would like a pop of color here, leaning over, getting a little more modest coverage. And honestly, under the armpit, it covers my bra strap here. So I'm just using the tank in our new summer colors. I've got it styled here with the coral. Again, very, very cute. very pop of color. And then if you want to go more monochromatic and just let everything blend but still get that coverage you're looking for, the Kelly green is going to look really, really cute under it as well. So there are 3 different dresses: white eyelet, a navy maxi dress, and then this really fun poplin, got a tie button down dress. 3 totally different styles of dresses, all that work so cute with our new summer style. So there you have it, another YouTube video here at Halftee Layering Fashion. Super excited to announce our brand new summer colors. They're going to go so stinking fast, so you're going to want to make sure you get online and get the styles and the colors that you're wanting to style with this summer. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you next week.